Welcome, aspiring photographers. Today we're diving into the best beginner camera of 2025, your perfect entryway to stunning photos and videos. Ready to step up your photography game? Hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite photography tip, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest gear. Let's get into it. Number 1. Nikon D5600 is an impressive entry-level DSLR that brings a wealth of features and capabilities to both budding photographers and seasoned enthusiasts alike. After extensive testing, it's clear that this camera stands out for its combination of image quality, user-friendly interface, and advanced connectivity options. One of the most notable aspects of the D5600 is its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers stunningly sharp images with vibrant color reproduction. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the image quality consistently impresses, even in challenging lighting conditions. The ISO performance is commendable, allowing for clean images at higher ISO settings, a crucial feature for low-light photography. The camera's 39-point autofocus system is fast and reliable, ensuring that your subjects are in sharp focus, whether you're capturing a fleeting moment or a planned shot. The D5600 also features a 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen, which makes composing shots from various angles a breeze and enhances the overall shooting experience. For those who enjoy sharing their work on social media, the Nikon D5600 is equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling seamless connectivity to your smartphone. This allows for easy image transfer and remote shooting capabilities, making it a great choice for the tech-savvy photographer. Another highlight is the camera's intuitive menu system, which is designed to be user-friendly for beginners while still offering advanced controls for more experienced users. The guide mode provides helpful tips and suggestions, making it easier to learn. Number 2. Sony a7 II has firmly established itself as a favorite among both amateur and professional photographers. And after extensive testing, it's easy to see why. With its impressive combination of full-frame capabilities and cutting-edge technology, this mirrorless camera delivers exceptional performance across a variety of shooting scenarios. One of the standout features of the a7 II is its 24.3 megapixel full-frame sensor, which produces stunningly detailed images with remarkable dynamic range. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the sensor's performance ensures that colors are vibrant and shadows are rich without losing detail. The ISO range of 100 to 205-600, expandable to 50-500, allows for excellent low-light performance, making it a versatile tool for any photographer. The camera's 5-axis in-body image stabilization is another significant advantage. This feature mitigates the effects of camera shake, allowing for sharper images, especially when shooting handheld at slower shutter speeds. It's particularly beneficial for shooting video, providing smooth and steady footage without the need for additional stabilization equipment. The autofocus system in the a7 II is quick and reliable, with 117 phase detection and 25 contrast detection points that ensure accurate focus on moving subjects. The camera performs admirably in continuous shooting mode, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action, whether it's wildlife or sports photography. Number 3. Canon R50 is an impressive entry-level mirrorless camera that packs a punch with its user-friendly design and robust performance, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and enthusiasts alike. After extensive testing, it's clear that the R50 brings a lot to the table, especially for those looking to dive into the world of photography without feeling overwhelmed. One of the standout features of the Canon R50 is its 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, which delivers sharp, vibrant images with stunning detail. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the image quality is consistently impressive, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's dual-pixel autofocus system is fast and reliable, ensuring that you capture your subjects with precision and clarity, whether they're still or moving. The design of the R50 is another highlight. It features a compact and lightweight body that's easy to carry around, making it perfect for travel and everyday photography. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies navigation and allows for quick adjustments on the go. Additionally, the vari-angle LCD screen is a great asset for vlogging or capturing creative angles. For video enthusiasts, the R50 does not disappoint. It supports 4K video recording with impressive quality, and the built-in stabilization helps to smooth out handheld shots. This makes it an excellent option for those looking to create content for social media or professional use. Battery life is decent, allowing for an extended shooting experience without frequent interruptions. Number 4. Canon EOS RP is a compact full-frame mirrorless camera that has quickly garnered attention for its impressive performance and user-friendly design. After extensive testing and evaluation, we believe this camera stands out as an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned photographers alike. One of the most notable features of the EOS RP is its 26.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with excellent detail and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the RP excels in various conditions, producing vibrant colors and sharp images that are sure to impress. The camera's dual-pixel autofocus system is another highlight. It offers fast and accurate focusing, making it ideal for capturing moving subjects or shooting in challenging light. With 47 and 79 selectable AF points, users can quickly lock onto subjects, ensuring that you won't miss that perfect shot. Ergonomically, the EOS RP is designed for comfort and ease of use. Its vari-angle touchscreen is a game changer for vlogging and creative angles, and the camera's lightweight build means you can easily take it on your adventures without feeling weighed down. Additionally, the intuitive menu system makes navigating settings a breeze, even for those new to photography. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The battery life, while decent, could be better, especially for extensive shooting sessions. Additionally, the camera lacks in-body stabilization, which can be a downside for handheld shooting. But these issues are relatively minor when weighed against the overall. Number 5. Canon EOS R marks a significant leap into the full-frame mirrorless camera arena. And after extensive hands-on testing, it's clear that this camera is designed for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its robust build quality and an intuitive layout, the EOS R is not just about performance, it's also about usability. One of the standout features of the EOS R is its impressive 30.3 MP sensor, which delivers stunning image quality across a wide range of lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in soft, ambient light or harsh sunlight, the EOS R captures vibrant colors and exceptional detail, making it a fantastic choice for landscape photography, portraits, and everything in between. The dual-pixel autofocus system is another highlight, providing fast and accurate focusing that rivals many DSLRs. The camera's ability to track moving subjects is particularly impressive, making it a great option for wildlife and sports photography. The addition of eye detection AF, which locks onto a subject's eye for portrait work, adds an extra layer of convenience and precision. The camera's ergonomics are well thought out, with a comfortable grip and strategically placed buttons that make adjustments quick and easy. The fully articulating touchscreen is a boon for vlogging and creative shooting angles. Coupled with the camera's 4K video recording capabilities, the EOS R becomes a versatile tool for content creators. Battery life is another strong point, allowing for extended shooting sessions without the need for constant recharging.